You're watching Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this review helpful. Welcome to my in-depth review of Lemonade Insurance. In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience using Lemonade, covering its key features, who it's best suited for, and ultimately, whether it's the right insurance choice for your needs. For your convenience, I've included links to Lemonade in the description below. Lemonade is a modern, tech-focused insurance company offering a range of coverage options, including renters, homeowners, pet, car, and even life insurance. Renowned for its user-friendly platform and transparent practices, Lemonade leverages the power of AI to streamline the entire insurance process. From getting a quote to selecting your coverage and finalizing your policy, everything can be accomplished within minutes, either through their intuitive mobile app or website. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, designed with a customer-centric approach that simplifies the often confusing world of insurance. One of Lemonade's most compelling features is its affordability combined with a community-focused business model. Premiums are highly competitive, with renters insurance starting as low as $5 a month in certain areas. Claims processing is also incredibly fast, often completed in mere minutes for straightforward cases, thanks to their AI-powered claims system. Furthermore, Lemonade features a unique give-back program. This initiative donates unused premium funds to charitable causes selected by policyholders, adding a layer of social responsibility to their services. When it comes to coverage options, Lemonade is an excellent choice for individuals and small families. Their renter's insurance covers personal belongings, liability, and additional living expenses. Homeowners insurance provides more comprehensive protection, including dwelling coverage. For pet owners, Lemonade offers flexible pet insurance plans covering accidents, illnesses, and even preventative care. Their recent foray into car insurance integrates telematics to encourage safe driving habits while maintaining competitive rates. However, it's important to note that Lemonade is best suited for individuals with relatively straightforward insurance requirements. It might not be the ideal solution for those seeking highly personalized policies or those with more complex claims. Additionally, availability is currently limited to certain states and regions, so it's crucial to verify whether Lemonade operates in your area. In summary, Lemonade is a perfect fit for young professionals, renters, and first-time insurance buyers seeking affordable, user-friendly, and socially responsible coverage. It seamlessly blends technological innovation with top-notch customer service, offering a truly modern insurance experience that stands out in a traditionally complex industry. If Lemonade sounds like the right choice for you, check out the links in the description for more detailed information and exclusive deals.